Introducing Ceramic Pro PPF and Vinyl, which won SEMA's award for Best New Product. This product was designed for you, the professional, to help you increase profits, reduce customer callbacks, and protect your hard work. Let me show you some of its best attributes. This is a matte white vinyl on the rear end, right behind the rear wheel on a Porsche. You got an uncoated and coated side. And even though the coated side is dirty, it basically looks brand new. On the coated side, in only 4 months, is virtually stained beyond repair. And in just a second, I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean, and you'll see the true beauty of the protected side. Traveling down the line here, you see we have over 25 different types of material. Each one is protected on one side on the left side and unprotected on the right side. Here's such a cool example of what the product can do on a matte black. This side is protected and this side is unprotected. You can see again the real different contrast of fading. If you look here though, you can see that this side is still matte. So traveling down the line too, you got your color change, clear bra, satin clear bra. You can see a really cool effect here of the colors popping through. And as we keep going here, one of the biggest pain points in the industry, we all know, the chrome wraps will scratch like crazy. With this product on, it reduces the surface tension. All the dirt and debris will just come off much easier, greatly reducing the scratching effect. Another awesome example of a satin film here with the fading versus not fading. And then one of the coolest things that you guys will just really love, if I travel all the way down, you'll see the carbon fiber. Look at the level of fading that's happened in only 4 months. This will blow you away how much easier this is to clean and how the water and debris just gets trapped in the unprotected side. So let's take a look at how easy they are to clean. We're showing the self-cleaning effects. I'm going to spray some water on, protected side, unprotected side. You can see it beading up on the protected side and laying flat on the unprotected side. And as I simply just wipe it, the dirt and debris wipes off of the coated side and does not on the uncoated side. Again, beading, lack of beading.